Hello everyone, I am Merve and today we will be doing a one color, one yarn granny square. It is very easy. You can either turn this into a purse, a bag, a cardigan or a bathing scrub, anything you want actually. It is very easy and practical. So I would like to show you that I used 2.5 millimeters of a hook, thin acrylic yarn, purple color, very deep purple. Just over 8 centimeters, as you can see. Since it's a square, doesn't matter much if I measure from top or bottom. For this pattern we will start with a magic ring. You can either start with a chain of 3 or chain 1 and do a single crochet like this, and then on top of that you do another. Insert your hook here and do another single crochet, and this will be our first double crochet. We will do another, first set of 4, chain 2. Let's do another. And chain 2. This is it. So we tighten the magic ring and slip knot to the first crochet we have done, like this. For this model I would like to turn this over like this. As you can see, it doesn't change a lot of things, I mean front or back, and it will easier to crochet this. You can go for the classic methods, of course, it's up to you, but this one I will go for the this turning over method. I hope this will help. This was the flat side and I am turning it over, as you can see by magic ring's tail here. We can start with 3 chains as usual or do a single crochet. I would like to do a single crochet again, like this. And then double crochet, chain 2, and in the same space we do another 2 double crochets. Two double crochet, 2 chain, and 2 double crochet in the same space. And when we reach the end of the row, we slip knot to the first double crochet we have done, like this, and tighten and turn it over. As you can see, there is a slight difference. I won't disagree with that, but since it is the same color yarn, it doesn't draw attention too much. So for the third row, we will start with a single crochet row again. as you can see, there are 4 corners, 4 middles. So we will do 2 double crochets into the middles and 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet sets into the corners. This one was 1, 2, 2 chains, like this. 2 here, one set of double crochet here, 2 here, and chain 2. 1 set here, and after we are done, we slip knot. Turn over. So this will be our 4th and last row. So we are onto the 4th row. So we will do 3 double crochets to here, middle parts, and 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 2 chains to the corner parts. So we are increasing our double crochets. So let's start. Turn over, do a double crochet, and then do another on top of that, and another double crochet, and another, and chain 2. And after we are done, we tie the round row with a slip knot and squeeze, and that's it. And later we will hide this too. If you like this video, please think about subscribing to my channel or leave a like. I would certainly appreciate the gesture. See you in the next video.